Welcome to Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195, and this now the Ogbonge Politics discussion show as it is hot. Every Monday go reach Friday from 10 to 11, not on Christmas. Sake of say, all the topic where they come on smoke inside Nigerian political boxing ring, we they carry and drop them as the thing they come out all the fire. Make yourself chook mouth on top so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action and move our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwode. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as they concern politics matter as it is hot.
Good morning, our viewers. We don't carry as it is hot sunshine again. On today will be Monday with another fresh week, and then as usual we go do it. We go to give our details, information on what they happen for Bodo Nigeria as time they go. Yes, we will also open our phone line when that time reach because we cannot do without you people. And because now be the reason why we did here. So for now to do it, for now to chook mouth for any matters, or rather the matters we will drop that because now the things we happen over the weekend, I will go give now today. My name never still change. My name now Unkubi, and this now as Ide Hot.
Make we no waste time. Tear the rubber come out on top of all the action tori wey happen inside Obodo Nigeria for the weekend. And I know say on Friday we go lock our shop, but our ears still dey ground to get all the gist when they happen. We can't get one important information as it take concern former governor of Akwa Ibom State and serving senator and minority leader for the House of Senate, Oga Godswill Akpabio. We've been here say the EFCC, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, that is the Ogbonge joint body for Obodo Nigeria, when they fight corruption, then send invitation, go give them, say, making carry waka, come their office for questioning and answering. He go enter their office around after 5 on Friday evening. The dogs after he answer their question reach late in the evening. They come tell and say, make him go, but he go come back the next day. And the next day by 11:45 a.m., he carry waka go inside the office too in the company of some of his lawyers them. Oga Ricky Tafana, he lead the lawyer, senior advocate of Nigeria. And then talk say he get one petition when Leo Ekpeyong, one man say he type all the things when we say the governor don't do, but come follow back here and use that way, take a colobi some kind money when they talk say, make him come answer the question today sure. And that amounts now about 108.1 billion naira. When they talk say Governor Godswill Akpabio go account for. But he don't come out, come reply, talk say, say he no they fear anything. He go come out, stand, answer all the questions, say all the good work when we say him do for inside Akwa Ibom. Everybody then take their eyes, see the good work. That now as he take concern Governor Godswill Akpabio and the visit when he carry go visit EFCC office on Friday and on Saturday.
Yes, Moku from there carry the story enter Adamawa State. We hear say Jagoda people through some of their agents will be all these female suicide bombers that they use to take blow everywhere they blow. We hear say on Saturday evening say another attack, suicide and bombing attack happen for that place, and it happen for that village for Adamawa State for Yola. We hear say as it take happen we say we hear say they speculate now say yes so say Boko Haram people they come now everybody they can't do it, they can't run, can't go hide where they hide. They don't even know say where they even hide put. Say some suicide bombers there among them who also pretend as if they run. Now there all these people can't do anything. We can't hear say the guys do anything. They empire, they blow up the whole place. And then the casualty we hear say where people die as a result of that for the suicide and bomb attack. They reach 11. And from there, we also enter say we also hear say the Nigerian army then be recently that is over the weekend stop under attack by this same sect for this thing for Meduguri for what they call my Malari. For Meduguri, this thing for Borno State. So then stop some attack where the same Jagoda people won't do it. He won't carry out as a result of their action level, as a result of their effort to make sure say I think they put off all these things. Then they stop and bomb from happening for this place. Now the story will get for now based on the bomb blast issue with that.
As a follow-up to what they happen to Godswill Akpabio, when be minority leader, when belong to the People's Democratic Party. The PDP as a political party, they don't release official statements. And inside their statement, they talk say all this probe that the government of President Muhammadu Buhari is probing, say the thing they selective. say people don dey talk say some people chop money oh, say the president no do anything about am, he even make these people ministers. But say Governor Godswill Akpabio wey be say he build world-class superstar international and first-class hospital with stadium wey be say all the people for inside this one dey talk say yes, this stadium na correct, say na in EFCC begin dey follow. Dem talk say make EFCC wash their eyes with warm water and soap, clean am with towel wey white, come wear recommended glass to see if dem no dey see well well, because e get some people wey be say everybody know say dem chop money, dem leave those ones, dem go dey follow Godswill Akpabio. But since Oga Godswill Akpabio don talk say he no dey fear and he go answer the question, say dem believe say he go there, he go answer the question, and at the end of the day everybody go talk say yes, him be free man and he no do any bad thing. That's one that the relationship between the visit when Oga Akpabio go visit EFCC and the statement when we say the PDP they release officially as it take concern that matter be that.
Yes, Moku Karang enter straight to Borno State, where we hear say the governor of Borno State, that is Oga Shetima, say he do it in, he go inspect one project where one particular project where he go inspect for one part of the country. As he come for one part of the state, as they come back, now some members of a particular community can't do it in the community they call Jakana village for inside Kontuga local government, can't do it, can't block and can't say for here, no they pass, go anywhere. Then blocking convoy, block everything blockable to say, look, Oga Governor, we don't they look you since, they look you since, they look you since. You just they do anyhow. We go block you now. And what be the reason why they block Oga Governor? They talk say, look, say they no get water, nothing like water for their own community at all. They just they abandon, they don't even do anything about them. They don't even do address the matter. Say before they go to receive better water, say they go walk kilometers. Kilometers. And by the time they walk these kilometers finish, and by the time they will even see the water, come measure the amount they buy the water. They say they buy water up to like 100 naira for 1 gallon. 100 naira for 1 gallon. Compared to people where they live for Maiduguri, say, for Maiduguri, say they buy water for how much? For 5 naira, 10 naira. Say, make Oga Governor do something about it. So that's why they took up the arm, say, look, took up the ambition, say, no, Oga Governor, if not this month like this, we won't take care of our voice. We go block you. Hear our voice. Find something to do about them. Now waiting the people of Jakana, and then now waiting they talk about this matter be that. Look, we go on.
From Borno State, we go enter inside Osun State. And the Osun State chapter of the Nigerian Medical Association don't come out contact say that they give the government of Osun State under the leadership of Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola 7 days to pay the workers, that is the medical workers when they inside Osun State. Say if after these 7 days he no pay them, say they go embark on indefinite strike. That is, they go drop all their injection and tablets and they no go work again. Many people come and ask the question and say, wait, he get state for inside this country wey still dey owe people money. Shebi government, federal government, in their wisdom, bring out plan when they go give all the states their money, say, make them take and go settle. Say, which kind wahala be this one? And the Nigerian Medical Association come talk say, they even get hand. They support the protest and the strike when we say the resident doctors for Lautech, then they on top now say they know they go work again. Say a laborer deserves his wages. If they no pay their money, then no go work. This one, now as it take concern the Nigeria Medical Association, be that. Unkubi, all these stories that we don't drop like this, and stories when we say that they carry first inside the Obodo, Nigeria.
The trending stories where they happen at the moment, where they happen for Obodo, Nigeria. Yes, now we just drop. So,
but it's very, very important. Make we start with the one where happen for inside the Borno State. When we say the governor, he go the...
Wait. Which of the Borno State? May I know what you try to talk?
Which one? Which of the Borno? How many Borno we talk here?
If it starts the way we get to do with... bomb blast, or we will talk about.
Make we no talk. Make we no start. Make we no start with. Make we no start with bomb blast.
Make we talk about Akpabio.
Make we no start with bomb blast.
Talk about Akpabio.
Make we start with governor. Make we
talk about Akpabio.
How we go take talk about Akpabio?
Make we talk about Akpabio.
Okay, we make we start with Akpabio. Okay. Former governor of Akwa Ibom State and distinguished senator and minority leader Godswill Akpabio get invitation from the EFCC following petition when they say Oga Leo Ekpe Young right and him go there go answer them. Now this kind of thing now we dey talk of. You understand? Even though you be senator, even though you be senator and somebody talk say okay oh yeah, go answer question, you go carry waka enter there with confidence go
over
answer just as the senate president
over an alleged 108 billion naira.
Thank God say you call am alleged.
Na just dey put am
over an alleged.
now.
But we get people wey be say since they don dey talk say dem chop money, since they don dey talk say e get the way wey dem take use biro do something money confuse, nobody hear about the matter. Even those people dem find their name inside the book of ministers. True or false?
Na you know wetin dey talk.
EFCC don ever invite these people?
I no know wetin
no yes what if you go talk say you no know wetin I dey talk?
I no know wetin
this petition dem write am on the 22nd of June. If somebody wey be say na serving senator, distinguished senator, person wey be say when he be governor between 2007 and 2011, the people of Akwa Ibom dem see the true meaning of radical transformation, dem see change inside Akwa Ibom. Even the international world class, first class and highest hospital wey be say dey inside obodo Nigeria, na the man build am. He don carry waka enter with confidence, enter inside the office of EFCC to tell them say I am ready to answer all your questions. Dem say as dem dey answer question from left, he dey answer like this, dey answer like that, dey answer. Na even the EFCC people call each other say oga night don reach, come dey go. He say no, ask me more question, I need more question, I will answer all your question.
For you. You know why I declare for you? You don't attend this hospital know whether na first class or na second class hospital.
Anybody don come and talk say no be first class hospital? Anybody don come and talk say no be first class hospital? Anybody don talk say na first? No, anybody don come and talk say no be first class hospital?
You don't go there to know whether na first class hospital?
Anybody don come and talk say no be first class hospital?
What you cannot go treat yourself when you get the issue there?
Person wey be say he don dey near airport. You wan make him dey go back?
Where be near airport? You see the Nigeria o. Nigeria just accident happen o. Na he come do wetin? Say me say this thing. Wetin go cause am to go back to?
No be even the hospital we dey talk of. We dey talk of this example wey he set. You understand? No be people wey be say if dem talk say dem get case, dem go begin dey run up and down. Dem go dey go court. Go dey collect injunction. Police senator don go EFCC office go answer question. No be wetin we dey talk about.
Because of say no be responsibility to provide notice for people. Why can't to give our presidency? Yes, he has done much more well. He don do overwhelming thing. As if not be responsibility to provide.
Thank you very much.
What are you saying?
Why a lot of people dey sing the praises of Governor Godswill Akpabio say he build hospital?
So you could dey talk.
Na because of say other people wey dey there before dem no gree do am.
No be dey talk.
For part of the news wey we read today, no be one governor dey owe Nigerian Medical Association workers, people wey suppose dey treat people wey sick, why you no pay them salary?
So the process stay on. That's why medical association doctor say look, if this man no join Tabata, say they go do it in 7 days ultimatum. You
are not even ashamed of yourself. You come out for national television and talk say the process is still on. This is not the same person wey blame former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan for money wey he dey owe. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan now don hand over give another government, he still dey owe money. True or false? Blame am. Go to a cape for Bayelsa. Go put the blame on top of am. No, go Bayelsa. Go put the blame on top of am. We are not okay. We go switch from Governor Godswill Akpabio now. Enter people when they owe money. No. Now who they owe money we go owe. Because even the Bible say a laborer deserves his wages.
No.
When you begin the whole laborer, God go judge you.
More talk about suicide bombers.
We no fit talk about suicide bombers. We no fit talk about suicide bombers. No, we must balance the story. We
no
talk about Akpabio. I run away from Akpabio.
Okay.
Why you run away from this one? Thank you very much.
Shettima then.
Okay.
Talk about Shettima. We don't say yes. It is the right of every citizen of a state. It is the right of every citizen of a country to do it, to demand for what to be their own right. And the people of Jacana, yes, they do what they're supposed to do by demanding for their own right from the governor. And the governor can't give them listening ear. Can't even stop. Say, okay, because I hear what this people talk. Because the normal thing, I mean, for you to lay your complaint before a governor and make you also look at, though we know say, yes, governor, nobody's supposed to even remind governor, say, you're supposed to do this one or you're supposed to do that one. At least governor supposed to say, yes, these are his responsibilities. Through in commissioners, through in special advisors, we could advise say, make we work on this area, make we address this community matter and all that. And then at least they stop and he stops. And then they can't relay their matter to him.
Ukubi, you know the shame. You are a shameless human being.
Watch the quantity of that shame. No, they call her like that.
Okay, make I drag her. No, make I drag her. You are a shameless human being.
No, if you go call me shameless, just respect yourself in the first place. We can afford to use languages that are ourselves, words that are ourselves. But if you want to call shameless, call them shameless. No call them shame for how long?
How you go come for television, they tell Nigerians say, the governor, he give them listening ear. I go speak English, I don't vex. Are you trivializing this issue? No, excuse me, let me land. Excuse me.
What do you mean by trivialize?
Thank you very much.
Say trivialize how? Say governor. Okay, say governor can't do it because say no go listen, can't drive, come on to
Nkubi, how many states we get inside Nigeria? 36 with the Federal Capital Territory. Everything 37. Out of all the 36 states we will get inside Nigeria with the Federal Capital Territory, we know say 3 of these states they in crisis. They have been engulfed by crisis and they have been immersed in crisis for several years. Adamawa, Borno, and wetin Yobe. Everybody knows say the kind work when we say every governor for all these states when get crisis they do go different from all other governors. True or false? True. How can you, a serving governor, you see what you supposed to do, you know do am. You can't they go to, he say, you see the way we take even talk at the first and say, he enter one place, say he won't go do something, he go pay visit. You the way we don't even put head when you even talk the thing. If you like, I even stone you my shoe, he go pay visit. You they talk and you go pay visit.
Bring out that your shoe, take. May I give you my own, may Sunam. That shoe, you want Sunam? May I give you my own shoe? See. You go fall down.
See
shoe, stone.
If you go fall down.
Stone shoe. Stone shoe. You want stone shoe? Sure. I don't even stole the shoe.
That shoe we they talk about or waiting government.
No. I say you want stone shoe. Shebi you get.
Why are you so violent?
You started the violent statement. You started the violent statement. Say you go stone me shoe. That's I bring my shoe. Take stone me shoe.
Okay. Now the second shoe now I go like stone. No. I know why. Now the second shoe now I go like stone. If you know say your name be Nkubi, give me that second shoe. If you know say your name be Nkubi and you want to be stoned, give me the second shoe.
I don't get the liver to bring out one of my
right.
Bring out your.
I know if you use left hand set now. Give me your right shoe.
Collect take right your right hand.
This one na left now. Give me right. I know the one I'll take bend down.
Take this.
They go carry you come up on top of this set this morning. You think say you get power?
Don't you ever use
Nkubi, if you know your name is Nkubi, give me the right shoe. Give me the right one.
Chukudi,
give me the right shoe. Give me the right shoe.
No, they talk about matter.
But give me the right shoe first.
No, they talk about matter.
I don't even see this one. You go out with one leg today. You go see
they talk about matter.
Come here.
We don't take Shetima finish, Abi.
We Shetima, we never talk and finish.
Before we continue with the story, we do it. We could go enter market. What that anyway? We enter market first. Will they come? This.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.